Hello guys, today it's 15th of June and I'm done with my college and all stuff. So I'm leaving Dehradun very soon. So I'm just packing my bike, my bicycle. So let's do the packing. Here it's my bike, my number of MT Uttarakhand. It's been so long I have not done any ride. Finally I'm just packing off my bike. I'm finally leaving Dehradun, so I have lot much stuff. I'm not taking my bike along, so I'm packing it here. So we will pack the bike inside this box. छोड़ी दी है, साइकिल छोड़ रहा हूँ। तो साइकिल में आज पूरी खोल के इसको पैक कर रहा हूँ बॉक्स में। साइकिल पैक हो चुकी है, सब कुछ हो चुका है, पेडल्स हैं।